everyone, it's Legend. The market has been on the move. S&P is shot up. We have our Netflix is up. We got quite a few of them that are up. So let's just quickly go through them, and I've moved my stops as well. So on NFLX, we had our stop originally, or yesterday, at 757.06. I have moved that up to 770.45. As you can see, we've got a big green candle here, so I'm taking advantage of that move. LLY, we are starting to get a little bit of turnaround now, so that's good. So I did not purchase another one. We're above the 10 on the RSI, so this one here is just a hold and wait, and I'm hoping that one will continue to go on up. AFL, we have our stop set at this 106.99, and that is only just to make sure that if I get kicked out, I get kicked out in profit. If it continues to go up, we'll ride that MA5 up, but for now, that is my stop. PGR, yesterday we had our stop set at the 246.77. Today we've moved it up to 249.26. So just moving it up on the MA5, it's still above it, so we're continually to ride this one on up. IBM, we had our stop yesterday at 208.49, and today we are still above the MA5, so I've moved it on up. I moved it up to 209.89. KO. So KO, we did have a bit of a down day, not much really, but it is bumping off of that 200 MA. So this morning I went ahead and purchased 8 shares, and today I went ahead and purchased 8 shares after hours as well. So that upped our number of shares, and we'll hope this one bounces off that 200 and takes off. AAPL, so I'm gonna go ahead and set my stop above my cost. So I've set my stop at 225.29. I could set it down here, but with the market as crazy as it's been, I don't want it to flush down, kick me out at a loss when I could easily just set it just above my cost and hopefully make a little bit or break even with that one. VOO. So VOO, I had a stop here yesterday at 528.96. We again are moving on up. It is going crazy, and I have moved my stop to 533.93. Again, following that MA5. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and show where I'm at on my stock tracker sheet to summarize everything up. Okay, so this is just to reiterate what we just went through, but it's on a nice little sheet here so you can easily see where my stops were, what they are now, and my calculated averages and number of shares. So NFLX, we have 2 shares at 690. The current price right now is at 796.54. I've got my stop now set at 770.45, so we are way in the money. We've earned 15% on this one so far, according to my stop. LLY, we're at 11 shares. My calculated average of 841.42. The current price is 797.45. So we're only down 5%. Not as bad as what it looks. So we will ride this one out. No stop as of yet. AFL, 25 shares, 106.71. Current price is 107.44. I've got my stop set at 106.99, so just above my cost, but it is still below the current price, so hopefully this one will continue on. PGR, we got 12 shares at cost average of 242.23. The current price of the stock is 255.27. My new stop is at 249.26. So that gives us a potential gain of 5% so far. IBM, 6 shares, cost average 207.07. Current price is 213.69. I've got my stop set at 209.89. KO, we have 40 shares at 64.61. Current price is 63.66. So we're only down 1%. So this one here is a hold, and we're waiting for this one to decide to get off the pot and take off. AAPL, we got 16 shares at 225.01. The current price of 227.49. That puts us at a 1% above. We have our stop set at 225.29. So just above our cost, but it is still below the current price. So we'll set it at that, and hopefully it doesn't trigger us and continues on. And the last is VOO. We got 2 shares, an average of 524.91. Current price is 547.53. I've got my stop at 533.93. So per the current price and the calculated average, I am at 4% potential earnings. So we still are at our $68.73 gain. So we have not moved, but we are locking in some stops here. So as those get triggered, then we'll be able to close those out. But I've got no problem continuing to raise the stops up. That's just more money in my pocket. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up there. And as always, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence before you do and get into any stock plays. Until next time, legend out.